Oil prices are surging again as tensions escalate between the United States and Iran in the Strait of Hormuz, raising fears of a major disruption to global energy supplies. The price of Brent crude, which is the global benchmark, jumped above $106 per barrel early Friday, climbing nearly 5% in a single day. Markets reacted after a series of confrontations between Washington and Tehran over shipping in the strategic waterway. The Strait of Hormuz normally carries about one-fifth of the world's oil and natural gas supply, making it one of the most critical energy corridors on the planet. But right now, shipping traffic through the strait has slowed dramatically as both sides tighten control. The Donald Trump administration says US forces recently seized another tanker carrying sanctioned Iranian oil, the second such seizure in less than a week. In response, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, also known as IRGC, announced that it had captured two foreign cargo vessels. According to Iranian officials, the ships, the MSC Francesa and the Epaminondas, were detained for allegedly violating maritime security rules and tampering with navigation systems. However, authorities in Greece have denied that the Epaminondas were seized, saying the ship remains under the control of its captain. Meanwhile, President Donald Trump has ordered the US Navy to destroy any Iranian boats laying mines in the strait, signaling a further escalation in the standoff. In a post on social media, he also suggested that the United States could effectively seal off the waterway, saying no vessels should enter or leave the strait without US approval until Iran agrees to a deal. The growing confrontation has already begun affecting global markets. In the United States, major stock indexes fell overnight, with the S&P 500 slipping about 0.4%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite dropped nearly 0.9%. Shipping data shows how dramatically traffic has slowed. Only 9 commercial vessels passed through the strait on Wednesday, compared with 129 ships per day before the conflict began earlier this year. That decline highlights the growing risk to global energy supplies. The crisis began after the United States and Israel launched military strikes on Iran on February 28, triggering a wider regional confrontation. Since then, the Strait of Hormuz has repeatedly become the center of the standoff. Energy analysts warn that if the disruption continues, oil prices could climb further, pushing up inflation and affecting economies around the world. For countries that depend heavily on imported energy, including many in Asia, the stakes are particularly high. For now, the world's oil markets are watching closely as tensions in the Strait of Hormuz continue to unfold.